Hi, this is Roland, and I want to give you a quick overview of the benefits that AppFormative can give you. First of all, there's the usual host of analytics to give you an understanding of your users. This is enhanced by the custom events which you can build into your apps and track. Next, I want to highlight A/B testing or split testing, which you can do from within a single app. As you can see, we've set it up and it's running at the moment. There are two devices actually running the same application. And if we go to the buying screen, you can see that there are two different buttons. We can now track through the backend which has the greatest success rate of being clicked. If we go to the reports, we can now see the different click rates on each. Even more interesting if we combine it with custom events, when you can see how many people have reached the page and have then actually clicked on the button. Once you're satisfied that a certain option is the most successful, you can actually set it on your backend without having to change the app, and it will change live to the different users and they will all see the same final result of the buy button that you've chosen. Next, I want to show you how you can reach out to your users. Use a messaging system to keep them informed of any kind of news or special offers. You can enter a message in the backend system and your app will have predefined points where it can actually fetch this message and display it in relevant places. I quickly want to mention that you can control self-refreshing collectibles. These are typically coins or lives, something that replenishes over time, that you can control it from the back end to avoid people playing around with their system time to get an unfair advantage. Next, I want to show you probably the most fun aspect of controlling your app while it's already live, the use of triggers. If you look at the game, you can see that it runs at a steady pace. We now have the possibility of going into the back end and send it a pre-programmed trigger, in this case fast, and you will see that the game plays much faster now. This feature can be used to control a whole host of different behaviors inside your app. It doesn't have to be limited to one at a time. You can actually send it multiple different ones. You can say that your game must be fast, or you can set a certain seasonal event and say that it's Easter or Christmas and let the app change its behavior accordingly. Finally, want to highlight cross-platform leaderboards. That means that your users can now compete with each other, no matter if they are on iOS or on Android or on Amazon. So this was just a short overview of AppFormative, just scratching the surface of the multitude of ways that you can use it to control your app once it's already out and live in the hands of your users, and in the ways in which you can get insights into how they're using it and how you can improve it in the future. I hope that you visit us on our website or drop us an email, and thank you for your interest.